2 years now. And last night was the horror story that I've been dreading. It's 2 a.m. I'm fast asleep at this beautiful beachside campsite overlooking the water. And I wake up to my van rattling and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And in my delirious state, I realize I'm rolling down the hill towards the ocean. And I'm going head first because I'm in bed. It's happened. I hear about this shit. My handbrake's gone. An instinct kicked in. I jump out of the van and I'm running after her. I'm watching my entire life just hurtle towards the ocean. Long story short, we were super lucky. This huge boulder stopped her after about 100 meters of rolling. For 4 hours, I'm just sitting at the base of this cliff, freaking out that the tide's going to take us away. It was so lucky that a local legend cruised past just after sunrise before the tide came in and pulled us out.